DJT stock analysis, super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1-minute video, I'm covering all this. Look, I am the only guy in this space that's actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. Ultimately, with Trump media and technology, I'm looking to double down on this. Like, I don't know about you, but like, so with this particular instance, well, kind of corrected, but not the amount that I wanted to kind of correct. So ultimately, if I don't see it actually taking the place here and actually buying, not buying, I mean, correcting down and giving me the rules, then there is just no way that I'm just blindly going to get involved, because I've been in the markets for 5 years. I've seen what's making me money, and it's all documented on my YouTube channel using common factors analysis. I figured it out. So stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. I can go as much as to say that I have so many other receipts with DJT. It was the watts, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the watts. It was a sell side at the time, but now, you know, which I'm still looking to double down. But I'll keep you updated, and see you.